Okay, so um so f of p is equal to u, right? And then you have to make it make sense if it's 1-to-1, right? So 1-to-1 means that all x values have a y. So an x just has to have an y, and x cannot have multiple y's. So this is on 1-to-1, but if you have, let's say, y2 and this same x1 maps to y2, then that's not 1-to-1, right? So y in this case are the umbrellas, and then that's all the people, right? So each people has to have a unique umbrella. So that's what they mean when they say 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 would be that each person has their own umbrella, and uh, no umbrellas are shared. I guess you could say that the umbrellas are unique or different as well. It just means the same thing. The main gist thing is that two umbrellas cannot have the same owner. There we go. That's another way to put it. So on to, oh wait, messed up. It's because it's 2:15 a.m. I don't know what I'm doing up, but anyways, not onto is the opposite of onto, obviously, because it's not, but onto means that all the y values are used up. So this is onto, but this is not onto. If it's not onto, certain y values have no x's to map to, right? So if it's not onto, that just, so again, whoa, what the hell? Anyways, so again, the y's mean umbrellas, and then the x's are the people, right? So, I like that circle. So, some umbrellas don't have an owner. Because if it was onto, then all the umbrellas would have owners, you know? I guess another way to put it is that some umbrellas aren't used, but yeah. Now, F um, is a bijection, right? So if it's a bijection, it's 1-to-1 and onto. So, uh, say if x1, x2, y1, y2. If x goes to y1 and x2 goes to y2, and all the y values are used up, and each x has a different y, then that means it's 1-to-1 and onto, which implies it's a bijection, right? Um, so for this, what you do is you basically just combine 1-to-1 and reverse what you did for not onto, because it has to be onto, right? So if we reverse that, then each person has one unique umbrella, because remember, the umbrellas can have the same owner, and all umbrellas, which are the y values, have owners. So all umbrellas have owners. That's the onto part, and then each person owns a unique umbrella. That's just the 1-to-1 part, because each of the x has a unique y. This x doesn't have another y, you know? So yeah, that's what is that? Question 7 from homework 3, I think. That's question 7, homework 3. Woohoo.